Hello and welcome. This is English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm your host, Lovely. It's so good to have you here with me today. Are you ready to speak English with more confidence? Many people think, I need a partner to practice speaking, but what if you don't have one? Don't worry. Today, we will talk about powerful tips. You can use these tips alone, at home, every day. They are simple and they really work. Let's begin. First, remember to like and subscribe to our podcast. It helps you find us again easily. Thank you. Now, let's talk about practicing alone. The most important thing is to just speak. Yes, speak to yourself. It sounds funny, but it is very good practice. You can do this anytime. Here is tip number 1. Describe your actions. Say what you are doing right now in your room. Use simple sentences. For example, you can say, I am opening the door. I am drinking water. I am reading a book. Do this for 5 minutes every day. You are listening to me, and now you can speak. Try it now. Pause this podcast and say one sentence. Say, I am listening to a podcast. Go ahead. Good job. You just practiced English. You are improving already. Okay, tip number 2 is repeat after me or repeat after anyone. This is called shadowing. You listen, then you say the same words. You can do this with our podcast. Listen to a short part of my sentence, then pause and say it. Let's try together right now. I will say a short, useful sentence. Then you repeat it. My sentence is, Hello, how are you today? Now you say it. Perfect. Let's do another one. My sentence is, I am learning English every day. Now you say it. Excellent. This helps your mouth and your brain remember the sounds. It builds confidence. Now, tip number 3. Talk to a mirror. Yes, look at yourself and have a small conversation. It is not strange, it is smart. You can see your own face, you can smile. Start with easy questions and answers. For example, ask yourself, what is your name? And you answer, my name is. Ask, how do you feel? Answer, I feel happy, or I feel good. This makes speaking feel more real. It prepares you for talking to other people. Try it later today, just for 2 minutes. Tip number 4 is very powerful. Think in English. For a few minutes each day, try to think using English words. In the morning, think, today is Monday. The sun is shining. I will drink coffee. When you see a dog, think, that is a big dog. It is brown. This habit changes your brain. English becomes more natural, not just a lesson. You don't need to speak aloud for this. You are having a quiet English conversation in your mind. It is great practice. Finally, tip number 5. Record your voice. Use your phone. It is simple. Read a few sentences from a book or describe your day. Then listen to the recording. Be kind to yourself. Do you hear your progress? You will hear it more every week. This is your personal proof that you are getting better. It is a gift to your future self. Let's do a final practice together. I will say 2 lines of a simple dialogue. First, you just listen. Then we will do it together. Ready? Listen. Person A. Good morning. Did you sleep well? B. Yes, thank you. I slept very well. Now let's repeat it together. I will be person A, you will be person B. Ready? Good morning. Did you sleep well? And now let's switch. You be person A, I will be person B. Ready? Go ahead. Yes, thank you. I slept very well. Wonderful. You just had a full conversation. You did it alone and you did it very well. So let's wrap up. We talked about 5 powerful tips to practice speaking English alone. 1. Describe your actions. 2. Repeat after me or shadow. 3. Talk to a mirror. 4. Think in English. 5. Record your voice. Choose one tip to try today. Just one. Practice for 5 minutes. That is enough. The secret is not doing a lot one time. The secret is doing a little every day. Your confidence will grow. I promise. Thank you for listening and for practicing with me. Remember, every word you say is a step forward. You are not alone on this journey. We are here learning together. I am so proud of your effort. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling. This is Lovely from English Podcast for Beginners. Goodbye.